Enabling Small Modular Reactors Program. As Canada advances toward a low-carbon economy, many forms of clean energy are needed to power the growing demand for clean, affordable, and reliable electricity. The Government of Canada is supporting small modular reactors to help achieve net zero greenhouse gas emissions. This program helps to support the conditions and enabling frameworks for SMRs to displace fossil fuels and contribute to climate change mitigation. The program is intended to support research and studies in the following areas: waste management for SMRs and supporting the creation of SMR supply chains. The program will advance knowledge and understanding in management, characterization, and minimization of SMR waste as part of the enabling frameworks for the deployment of SMRs. The program will support the development of supply chains for SMR manufacturing and SMR fuel supply to seek anchoring of elements of the SMR supply chain in Canada and advance SMR fuel supply and security. In their proposals, applicants are asked to consider the following questions. How does the project address a barrier, gap, or need related to SMR waste or SMR supply chains? How does the project contribute towards SMR deployment plans and objectives? Projects must exclude reactor development and demonstration, including commercial installation. Eligible applicants include for-profit and not-for-profit organizations, governments, and Indigenous organizations and groups, including Indigenous-controlled for-profit or non-for-profit organizations. Program funding can support up to 75% of total project costs, and while the maximum funding is $5 million per project, the anticipated funding per project is between $500,000 and $2,500,000, depending on project size, scope, timeline, and leveraged funding. Projects led by Indigenous applicants are eligible for funding support up to 100% of total project costs. The application process will be conducted in 2 phases. First, the expression of interest phase. NRCan will review expression of interest proposals and will invite a limited number of organizations to expand their EOI proposals into full proposals for assessment and possible funding. NRCan will invite organizations based on the alignment of the EOI proposals with the program objectives, the comprehensive package of proposals received as a whole, and available funding within NRCan. All applicants will be advised of the results of the EOI process, and applicants who are invited to the full project proposal phase will be notified by NRCan and will receive information on the timelines and submission requirements. The same applicant guide applies for the expression of interest phase and the full project proposal phase. Questions can be sent to the program mailbox, smr-prm@nrcan-rncan.gc.ca. Thank you.